Hello, I'm going to talk about 4 monuments of my city, Sevilla. And the first monument that I'm going to talk about is the Spain Square. The Spain Square was built in 1929 for the American and Spanish exhibition. It was the Spanish pavilion in this exhibition. It was built by a local architect, Aníbal González, and nowadays it is located part of the local government of Andalusia. The second monument that I want to explain is the Giralda Tower. The Giralda Tower is perhaps is the most representative monument in the city. It is a tower, a Muslim tower, and it was built in the 12th century. It was built to call to people to pray. And the height of this tower is 94 meters. This is the third monument that I'm going to talk about, and this is the Cathedral of Sevilla. The Cathedral of Sevilla is from the 12th century, and it is a Gothic style, and it is the second biggest temple in the world. And the fourth and the last monument that I'm going to talk about is the Tower of Gold. The Tower of Gold, it is also a Muslim tower, and it was built in the 13th century and was built to defend the city from the dangers that came from the river.